magically make my pit bike appear in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. All done. Ready to rip. Well guys, welcome to the video. Back on the pit bike. Whoa, I hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're all staying safe. It is a whopping 95 degrees outside, so as long as I'm moving, I got a nice breeze and it keeps me cool. But it is very, very dry back here. Very dry. I'm just gonna get dialed on the pit bike, and then I guess I'll be showing you guys how to wheelie a pit bike like a pro. Obviously, I'm not a complete professional, so don't take this all for like complete gospel, I guess. The first thing that was literally the most important to be learning how to like really throw a pit bike back is like definitely the seat position and where your weight is in the bike. You definitely want to be farther back on the seat, pretty much the edge. See, I don't have any plastic, so I can't go too far, but just that far back seat position. Obviously, if you watch like bigger YouTubers or riders who are a lot more skilled than me, when they're wheeling a pit bike, they're like far back on the seat because they want their weight back, and so they can adjust their weight to like adjust their wheelie as they're going. The farther back your weight is, pretty much the more leverage you have, I guess. But also your arms, you really want to depend on your balance more than your arms once you start getting good at actually doing it. When you're starting off, you're obviously going to be gripping pretty hard and your arms are going to be doing a lot of the pulling. But once you're comfortable and you're hitting balance point, you really like, the only way you can really throw your hands off, or if you're comfortable at balance point and you can keep it there without giving any throttle, like you need to be just cruising at balance point. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to do a good example of balance point. Obviously, I'm not 100% at it yet. I'm working on it. I'm practicing as much as I can. But yeah, I'll show it. But as you're giving it throttle, you're bringing your weight back and pulling up as I'm going up. My foot on the peg is like staying parallel with the ground, so it's not going to slide off or anything. That's like a really dangerous thing with wheelies. If your foot slips off and you fly off the back of the bike, or if you end up doing a Superman and you're just being dragged across, it's ugly. It's not good. But yeah, I'll show you an example right now. Obviously, like those amounts of time where I'm not giving it any throttle, that's where I'm at balance point. That's where I'm like completely back. And that is exactly where you need to get comfortable. If you're completely comfortable there and you're willing to go even farther back, pretty much like you got to get used to the feeling of falling. That's basically what you want. Because when you're falling back, that's when you're going to press your rear brake and it's going to bring you back forward. But yeah, I'm just going to practice on this, show you guys. If you watch this video and you have a bike to practice this on, make sure you're very, very careful about it. I don't need any parents getting mad at me that I'm teaching kids how to do wheelies. So if you're gonna do it, start small. Don't go big on the first one. And obviously, when you start tipping, you really just gotta give it more gas, try to bring yourself back in. That's somewhat difficult. You're pretty much doing zigzags at that point, but throttle and balance. That's pretty much it. On this bike anyway. If you had a clutch, you can pop it up a lot easier. Yeah, I'm still not quite comfortable there, but I'm getting there. Yeah, that's a nasty looking cloud up there, damn. That was complete balance point right there. That's what you want. That is what you want. I needed my rear brake there. Okay. Oh shit. This is like a major practice session with Dirt World. Oh yeah. That was very, very nice. Let's go. It only takes practice. That's it. I don't even know how long I've been out here, like 30 minutes maybe. And we're already making progress, boys. Now the goal is this whole entire row. You know? The whole row, whole row. That's the goal. We need more gas. We're running low. I've been practicing for too long. Let's fill this thing up with some gas. If you're really trying to be like an Axel Hodges out here, throwing some combos out here and there, you just gotta practice a lot, build some jumps, make sure they're safe before you hit them. If this video helped you out, smash the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, it'll help me out a lot. And yeah, if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. So yeah, see you in the next video. Later.